Transformation is a movement. Click the bell to be notified. Fluffy Girl Gang.
What up, Fluffy Girl Gang? Welcome back to another good vibe video. I will be using my crock pot today, brand new, and doing a new recipe. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, click that bell on all to be notified, and catch this delicious beef. I have some of my ingredients that I'm going to prep. Green pepper, you will need that. An onion, extra sausages, any sausages of your choice. I have celery, and then I have my bowls to put it in. So let's get to cutting. Now that everything is cut, sliced, diced, and prepped good, let's move on to the next step.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so then we're gonna put these greens in a bowl. Y'all, Kiana on the phone, y'all. Say hi, Fluff Gang, Fluff Gang. Kiana, Fluff Gang. Oh, and KK, because I just heard KK say, hey, y'all.
Much later.
Hey, Fluff Gang. So, yeah, I did a thing. I'm hungry. And y'all know we doing this crock pot testing video, but I transferred it from out this crock pot to put it into my process steamer type thing, because it smells incredible. It smells incredible, guys. Like, I wasn't getting that smell with the crock pot. I'm just saying, it's almost about done. Everything. Maybe I should have put the crock pot on high from the beginning versus cook it on low. And then this is my first time doing this. So now I know when I go back and try this in my crock pot, the gumbo greens, you know, maybe I'm gonna just keep everything on high. It's a lot, okay? But I did that. Bye.
Many unbearable hours later.
Alright, Fluff Gang, it's late, and I'm gonna just give my final thoughts. I'm sleepy now. I'm sleepy. It do smell very good. I have chicken, extra sausages, shrimp, the collard greens, of course, onions, celery, garlic diced, roasted tomatoes, bell peppers. Oh my God! Wow! That's good. I didn't have patience on this because I was ready to eat. If I do it in my crock pot, I think I'm gonna start it earlier. Like earlier than what I started at the time frame. Try it at home. Gumbo greens. You can put whatever meat you like to put in there. Oxtails, shrimp. You can make it a seafood gumbo. You can make it the meatiest of the meatiest gumbo with hella greens and meat. Keto diet type thing, because that's what it's giving, right? Meat and vegetables, a lot of vegetables. No carbs. It's not salty. It has flavor. Try it at home. Make sure you guys are loving yourself while loving on others. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.